At an Optical Internetworking Forum-sponsored Carrier Lab Day event, OIF demo participants, as well as members of the press and analyst community, were treated to a live presentation on the OIF's Worldwide Interoperability Demonstration 2009, enabling broadband on-demand services. The keynote presenter, Verizon's Vice President of Network Architecture, Dr. Stu Elby, spoke on the importance of multi-carrier, multi-vendor interoperability.
We're now building extensively into terrestrial-based to interconnect those transoceanic routes, and expanding to multiple vendors within our network, not a single vendor, and at the same time starting to talk to the other carriers, including the 6 others that are at the table today, about how we might actually use this for business purposes to interconnect our networks.
OIF President Hans-Martin Feusel of Deutsche Telekom provided opening remarks and spoke on the comprehensive 3-month test of interoperable data and control plane technology, which enabled end-to-end dynamically provisioned carrier-grade broadband services.
A few remarks about the OIF, the Optical Internet Working Forum. So it's interworking. It's not just the name of the OIF, but it's also program and activity. We are fostering collaboration and innovation, surely at the light speed. This is a global picture. It shows you the 7 carriers, Verizon in Waltham, Deutsche Telekom facilities in Berlin, Orange Labs in Lannion, Telecom Italia Labs in Torino, KDDI and NTT in Tokyo, and China Telecom Labs in Beijing.
With carrier sites linked via virtual connections, forming a global test network topology, the demo highlighted the OIF's control plane mechanisms, the UNI 2.0 and the complementary ENNI 2.0 signaling implementation agreements, demonstrating how they can enhance services, improve operations, and optimize network efficiency, as presented by Lyndon Ong, OIF Technical Committee Chair.
And we've kind of extended the demo in sort of 3 different dimensions, say. In the services dimension, in the transport technology, and in the control plane itself.
The OIF's 4th worldwide interoperability demonstration, including testing of EVPL services in the control and data planes over diverse multiple transport technologies, including packet transport using PBB-TE and MPLS-based transport, next-generation TDM and wavelength transport using OTN, and legacy TDM transport using SONET SDH. Control plane-based service restoration was also tested so that service could be restored after a data plane failure. Launched in April of 1998, the OIF unites representatives from data and optical networking disciplines, including the world's leading carriers, component manufacturers, and system vendors. The OIF promotes the development and deployment of interoperable networking solutions and services through the creation of implementation agreements for optical networking systems and optical interconnect network processing and component technologies. The OIF actively supports and extends the work of standards bodies with the goal of promoting worldwide compatibility of optical internetworking products. A detailed PowerPoint presentation on the demo, the full-length Carrier Lab Day video, and information about the OIF can be found at www.oiforum.com.